My name's Trevor Kilpatrick. The multiple sclerosis unit at the Royal Melbourne Hospital aims to be a multidisciplinary facility which not only provides excellent care for our patients, but which also undertakes cutting-edge research. And with such a complex disease such as multiple sclerosis, that research base has to be multifaceted. In terms of that, our research interests include basically trying to understand the cause of multiple sclerosis, trying to establish new ways to predict and monitor outcomes, and also ultimately trying to develop new and important approaches to reduce disease burden. Over the last 12 months, we've had a number of successes in each of these areas. Those have included work which has been using blood samples from some of our patients to characterise the importance of gene sets in terms of their role in expediting susceptibility and also influencing the severity of the disease. There's also been work which has been developing and expediting algorithms which help us to quantify lesion burden on MRI scan with the aim of bringing that to the clinic to complement standard clinical outcome measures to have a better way of predicting and monitoring progression at an earlier stage so that we can intervene for better outcomes earlier than we have in the past. And extending on from that, we've also been using the power of MS-BASE to really understand the comparative efficacy of different treatment options which may be brought to bear in circumstances where first-generation therapies have manifestly not provided the best outcome. And also we've been investigating the role of botulinum toxin, or Botox, in ameliorating the severity of dystonic tremor, which unfortunately all too frequently is a significant symptom and problem for patients with progressive disease. And these studies which we have commenced and initiated from the unit complement the ongoing work that we have been undertaking in partnership with the pharmaceutical industry in pharma-sponsored trials to understand the efficacy and benefits and potential risks of treatments which are coming to market or treatments which have recently been released to the market. I think that 2015 is also going to be an exciting year for research in the unit, and in particular we'll see the rollout of particular programs or algorithms to quantitate cognitive dysfunction so that we can better assess if cognitive issues are arising for people we're helping with multiple sclerosis. It will also include some genetic profiling of people with primary progressive MS using next generation sequencing technologies, recognizing that we have much to learn about the cause of this particular form of MS, recognizing that there's emerging evidence from our unit and others that it appears to be a different entity to secondary progressive MS. And we're also going to commence some molecular imaging studies which will look at the activity of particular immune cells called microglia in the brains of people with progressive MS, which we believe is potentially important in understanding what drives progressive MS beyond the relapsing remitting phase of the disease, which may open up some novel opportunities for treatments which can't currently be adequately provided by the therapies which are available by the authority PBS. So in summary, I think that we're really on the cusp of some very important outcomes from our research, and which will allow us to bring to bear our fundamental goal, that is to translate the outcomes of these projects to the benefit of our patients both locally and to the international community in general.